I've currently named the stock market right now the bipolar stock market because it seems to be getting very excited and thinking some days that things are going to be great and improve, and it goes up massively, and then on other days it just shoots down and dramatically drops and gets depressed, and the prices are really really low, and it seems to go back and forth, having trouble deciding where it is. And it seems as if it's in a bipolar state where it gets manic and then it gets depressed. And in fact, it would seem to be rapid cycling if you were going to diagnose it, because it's moving so quickly up and down. And the problem for the market is that people have trouble, seeing something so out of balance and going so quickly up, so quickly down. It's very scary for those that are invested. And that's just a glimpse into what it's like for people that live with bipolar disorder, that are in and out of manic states and depressive states so quickly. So one of the key things is getting the help that you need and the treatment so that you can keep your moods balanced, because going up really fast and being excited and manic, and then getting depressed and going down and being in that kind of state, it's really a dangerous way to live, and it's not fun for anyone around you, even for yourself. So I hope that our stock market will eventually level itself off and get back to a more normal behavior where it is going up sometimes, going down sometimes, but not so quickly back and forth, because I don't think that's a way for people that have retirement and hope to use that money one day for college or for their elder years. It shouldn't be such a rapidly going up and down cycle, because it's very scary watching your life savings go up or go down so quickly in just a matter of a couple of hours. And if you happen to have bipolar disorder, or you know someone that does, you probably have a better understanding of what's going on, and you see something that's so out of balance. And unfortunately for a market, it's not so easy to get treatment. There's no therapy or medications. Whereas for humans, we have the ability to go to doctors and therapists that can help us, that can work through the problems that we're facing, and we can have insight. For the stock market, the healing would have to be all of us kind of coming together and saying, you know what, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not all sell real quickly. Let's not all buy real quickly. Let's try to, be calm about our decisions. And if you're someone thinking about investing, I think you should try to decide if you can look for the long term, because in 10 or 20 years, things will most likely have worked themselves out and things will calm back down and be settled. So if you're going to buy a stock and invest in a company, think if you want to own that company for 20 years and you can ride out the ups and the downs for hopefully it to recover. And one day, I do believe our economy and the world will be in a better place. And it's been a very dramatic, tough time for almost the whole world for a few years. And I hope things will improve, because it's important for us to not have stress in a way that brings us down. And I hope together we can get our world to be a little bit of a better place.